Hi, this is Trustin Neal with the geometric plant. The geometric plant encompasses let's do five. Five numbers. So we're going to start at the beginning. The beginning is a tiny little circle, which is represented by the number 1. And we're going to label that the beginning. Okay, so think about this seed. It's under the ground and it's beginning to grow. And the first thing that comes out of the seed is what? The stem, right? Or a line. So this is the line, and it's also the first dimension, or also you can call it the length. So we have number 1, which is represented by a circle. We'll put circle over here. So the circle, then it becomes a line, and then we get triangles from there, or leaves from this growing little plant. So we have leaves here that collect the sunlight, right? They collect what God's given us and given us sunlight. And that's our first 2D dimension, or 2D shape, and that gives us surface. And as the surface continues to grow, as the leaves continue to gather the sunlight, then we receive, or we get, a plant. And the plant here is the rose, and we're going to represent it by the square, or the number 4. And what I'm drawing here is called the mother's weave. And if it's just a bunch of squares just tipped over and over and over, it kind of reminds you of a rose. It reminds me of a rose. So this is the flower, or the plant, or the purpose for the plant is what it's bringing about, right? The flower. And it is our first 3D shape, and it's giving us volume. So we now have the circle, the line, the triangle, and the square. Or we have the seed, the stem, the leaves, and the flower, and creating the volume. So if I say, hey, I want to do about the number 5, where am I going to put the number 5? Where does that go? Where's the pentagon go from this shape? It goes inside the little tiny middle, if you can put a little tiny pentagon there. The pentagon represents growth, seeds. It represents life. It represents the thing. So imagine this little seed then falls to the ground, and it becomes the circle again. So here we have the numbers 1 through 5 represented in this is called the geometric plant. Thank you.